Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been getting a lot of attention: manifesting your life dreams with your mind using the reality shift technique. Now, let me ask you this. Have you ever felt like dreams are just out of reach? Or wondered if you can actually change your reality by shifting your mindset? Well, you're not alone if you've ever wanted to bring your dreams to life. And today, I'm going to show you how exactly you can do that. First, let's talk about what reality shifting actually means. Reality shifting is basically the act of moving your consciousness to an alternate reality. Now, this isn't just some sci-fi concept. It's about mentally placing yourself into a version of the world where your dreams are already true. Sounds interesting, right? But why is this important? Well, it's about gaining control over your life. Manifesting your dreams becomes a journey of consciously choosing your path. It's about realizing you have the power to shift your reality with your mind. Now let me guide you through the process of reality shifting. It's not magic, it's a series of mental practices. Step 1 is visualization. Start by clearly imagining the life you want to live. Get as detailed as possible. What do you see when you achieve your dreams? What do you feel? Engage all your senses to make it feel real. Take a moment to picture waking up each day in your dream life. Where are you? What are you doing? Feel the joy, the excitement, or the peace that comes with this reality. Let's take an example. Suppose your dream is to own a beachside house. Visualize every morning stepping out onto the sandy shores with a cup of coffee. Next comes affirmation. Now this is like reprogramming your mind. Think of positive statements that resonate with your dream life. Say them out loud or write them down several times daily. I am living in my dream home by the beach. Affirmations help install the belief that these dreams are possible. Now let's employ a concept called scripting. This is where you write about your ideal life as if it's already happening. It could be a diary entry from the future. But remember, write in the present tense. Describe your day, your feelings, the accomplishments you've achieved. Here's a short story to make it clearer. Anna spent years dreaming of starting her own bakery. She began scripting her daily life as a successful bakery owner. Over time, those scripts fueled her actions, and now she runs a thriving bakery. Okay, moving on to the next crucial step, detachment. When I say detachment, I mean letting go of the obsession with the outcome. Act as if your dreams are already real and let them unfold naturally. Trust the journey. Trust the process. Finally, make sure to take inspired action. While your mindset is crucial, action drives change. So every day ask yourself, what small step can I take towards my dream today? All right, let's recap real quick. Visualize, affirm, script, detach, and act. These steps make up the reality shift technique. I know it might seem overwhelming at first, but start small and incorporate these practices into your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who might also benefit from these insights. And hey, drop a comment down below if you have questions. Or if you've tried reality shifting before, share your experience. Thanks for watching and keep dreaming big. See you in the next video. And until then, keep shifting those realities.